I'm just fixing the washing machine. The dampers disintegrated from, the bushes for holding the motor in place disintegrated some time ago, and basically that's what's left. With a bit of rubber. So, not having the right bushes in place, I using wank works. So, see how it goes. It's a good fit. Third time lucky. There we go. Put some holes in them now and then bolt it up together. Now I've got the bolts in place. The motor is pretty firm. I hope it's not too firm. But, just get the belt on now and the door, the front panel, door, etc. Let's see how it works. Okay, as you can see, the belt is in place now. Got the light right. And nice and tight. So next step, put it back together. Here we go. Spin. Shaky. There's only one towel in there. And the feet haven't been